In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Dhgate affiliate partner. First, let's quickly cover what being a Dhgate affiliate means. You promote Dhgate products using special tracking links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The rate can be up to around 10% depending on the product category. It's a straightforward model, and it scales as your content reaches more people. Before you apply, make sure you have at least one place to share links. This could be a TikTok account, an Instagram page, a Facebook page or group, a YouTube channel, a blog or website, or even a simple link in bio page. You don't need thousands of followers to get approved. What matters is that you have somewhere relevant to post and a plan to promote. When you're ready, head to the Dhgate affiliate program page and select Join Now or Sign Up. Register with your email and a secure password, then fill in your country, your primary promotion method, such as social media or content creator, and the link to your website or social profile. Be honest and accurate here. Dhgate does review applications. Submit your application and wait for approval. This typically takes 1 to 3 business days, and it can be faster. You'll receive an email when you're approved. Once you're in, log into your affiliate dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll find the link generator, current commission rates, click and sales tracking, and payment information. Keep this tab bookmarked. It's where all your earnings and performance data live. Next, generate your first affiliate link. Find a product on Dhgate, copy its URL, paste it into the affiliate link generator, and click Generate. Copy your unique link and use that in your post. Remember, only purchases made through your special link will earn commission. Choose strong products to promote. Popular categories include sneakers and fashion, watches and accessories, phone gadgets, home and kitchen items, and trending TikTok products. Look for items with a high order count, solid reviews, and a price point your audience will find reasonable. Start promoting your links with short-form videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Consider unboxings, Dhgate finds, budget versus original comparisons, and honest reviews. You can also share in Facebook groups, write blog posts, pin on Pinterest, or place links on your link in bio page. Always disclose with a simple note like, "This post contains affiliate links," and keep an eye on your dashboard to monitor clicks, orders, commission earned, and pending versus approved payouts. Commissions are released after order confirmation. Finally, get paid via PayPal or, depending on your region, bank transfer. Payouts are typically monthly and a minimum threshold applies. That's it. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you're set to start earning as a Dhgate affiliate.